What is up, guys? We're back with another video. For today's video, I'm gonna be making seafood. This morning I went to a fresh seafood market, and I got some king clip fillet, which I've never had in my life, but we'll see how it tastes. Some salmon. You guys have already seen me make shrimp, so I'm not gonna show you guys how to do it in this video. But I'm gonna show you guys how to make these two fish. Also, I'm not a professional, so if I make a mistake or I did something you guys wouldn't do, comment below and let me know. Maybe I'll make another video. The first step is to clean your fish with cold water, and you're gonna do it for both fish and also the shrimp. But like I said, I'm not gonna be showing you guys how to make shrimp today. So the second step, I guess, is to cut the salmon. This is actually kind of hard because the skin back here is really hard to cut through. You're gonna do your best. If you can't, just don't worry about it. But yeah, like I said, it's pretty hard. For this dish, we're gonna be using complete seasoning, Everglades seasoning, some lemon, and some sazon. All right, so we're gonna start with the lemon. You don't want to put too much lemon on any of it. You just want to put some, enough. We're gonna add some of this on both sides. Now that we have both fish already prepared, we're gonna be baking the salmon in an oven, and then we're gonna be sauteing the king clip in a pan. So we're gonna set the oven to bake, and we're gonna put it at 400, and we're gonna be baking the salmon for 12 to 15 minutes. Once we preheat our oven to 400, we're gonna get our salmon that has been in the fridge for a little bit and put some olive oil in a pan. You can coat it with parchment paper or aluminum like I'm using. You could use some olive oil, you could use some vegetable oil depending what you have on hand, and then we're going to transfer them to. Once you're done putting the salmon onto the plate or the tray, you want to put some yellow lemons onto the salmon. You can put 1 or 2. You don't have to do this. It just gives it a little lemony flavor, which I like and I prefer. And when you're done cooking it, you just take it off and enjoy with the flavor. All right, so we have the salmon cooking right now. And then we're going to be breading the fish, the king clip fish, with this Italian bread, Italian style breadcrumbs. And once they're all breaded up, we'll put them in the pan to cook. So our salmon just came out, and look how beautiful these are. Alright guys, so this is the final product. We have our salmon, we have our king clip, and we have our shrimp. I know I didn't show you guys how to make the shrimp, but you guys can go check the link in my bio to my other shrimp video, and it's the same exact way. They taste the same. Yeah, it's a really easy process. You can eat this with rice and beans, really whatever you want to eat it with. We're making some cheesy potatoes. And thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and share this video.